Hello everyone, this is Priya. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to load a CSV file into a Pandas DataFrame. So let's get started. First of all, let me quickly show you my CSV file. So this is my CSV file and the name of the file is flowers data, and here you'll notice that all the values are separated by commas. So let's quickly load this file into our pandas data frame. First of all, we need to import the pandas library. So I'll just run this cell import pandas as pd, and here we are using pandas read csv function. So I'll write df is equal to pd dot read underscore csv. Here in this function, the first parameter will be our file path within single or double quotes. So as I have shown you that I am using a locally saved file, but this file path could be a URL as well. So I'll type my file path, that is just my file name, flowers data.csv, and the next parameter I'll type is a separator, as I have shown you that all the values in my file are separated by a comma. So I'll just write my separator as comma, and let me just run it. And here this is our data frame. This first line is our column header, and these 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. are row indices. So here you will notice that I have used comma as a separator. What if I don't write it? I'll just remove it and run it again. Then here you'll see that I got the same data frame. This happened because in this read CSV function, the default separator is comma, but if you have any other separator in your file, like if you have a pipe symbol or you have a semicolon, then you'll have to explicitly define that. Like you'll write comma separator is equal to semicolon, or if you have a pipe symbol, then you'll do like that. Next is, here you'll notice I have just typed my file name as my file path. This is because both of my files, like my Jupyter notebook and my CSV file, are in the same directory. But if you have these two things in different directories, then you'll have to provide a full path here. I'll show you an example of that as well. So here I have created one more file, text.csv. Let me show you that as well. So here is my file, and here you'll notice that my Jupyter notebook is not here. Otherwise I could have simply written test.csv in my file path, but I need to write the file path of this CSV files. For that I'll just click here and copy this file path. Okay, I'll come back to my Jupyter notebook and I'll type df is equal to pd dot read underscore csv, and here I'll just paste that which I just copied, and here you'll notice that Windows uses backslashes between folders, so we need to change it to forward slashes, otherwise it will produce errors. So here, yeah, and after this code folder I'll just type my file name. Okay, let me show you this test.csv file as well. So this file is just same as flowers data.csv file, but here the separator is pipe. So we need to define that separator here as well. Sep is equal to pipe, and if I print it, you'll notice that I got the same data frame. So that's how we load a CSV file into a pandas data frame. And if you find this video useful, please like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video soon. Bye.